Hey there, I'm Lisa from here at HubSpot, and welcome to the latest edition of the Product Spotlight. In this video, my fellow product marketing team members and I will walk you through this month's biggest and most exciting HubSpot product updates. We've got a lot to cover today, so let's get started.
Hi, I'm Sophie. Back in December, we introduced a new CRM record into beta. It's more streamlined, fitting more customer context into less space. It features a 3-column layout, a fresh new communicator, and a brand new associated record preview. Since we launched the new record, your feedback has been steady and positive. Over 6,000 HubSpot users have submitted feedback on the new design, with more than 7 out of 8 responses being positive. With months of testing and overwhelmingly positive feedback, on April 23rd, the old record was removed and the new design was made the default in your HubSpot account. We are thrilled about the change and hope you are as well. Have questions about the new design? Reach out to your HubSpot point of contact or ask in the community forum. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey. HubSpot workflows automate repetitive tasks like sending emails and updating fields so that you can spend more time on more important things. Today, Workflows is the engine that powers HubSpot. And your workflows use HubSpot triggers to automate HubSpot actions like triggering emails based off a form submission or sending a sales notification based off a pricing page view. Tomorrow, Workflows will be the engine that powers your entire business. In a world of ever-growing customer expectations, you might need more than just HubSpot to create great experiences for your customers. Moving forward, Workflows will automate your process and your customer interactions with every tool that you use, not just HubSpot. To make that dream a reality, you'll see a new set of workflow actions in the coming months that trigger actions in third-party systems. The first of those actions is Asana. Asana is a web and mobile application designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. And with today's update, you can trigger Asana using HubSpot workflows. One example use case, managing your marketing creative process. Connect the system where your work gets organized, like Asana, to the tool where your work gets done, within HubSpot. For example, you can automatically pass creative requests to Asana so that your team has all of the information they need to get started on their work. The Asana workflow action is now live to all professional and enterprise HubSpot accounts.
Hi there, Elise here with a few quick updates to Sales Hub. First up, we've added some new and improved reporting to sequences. Now you can keep track of each template's performance and see the open, click, and bounce rates for each sequence in its entirety. This means you can get even smarter about honing in on the best performing templates and sequences. Next up, I want to share a recent update to playbooks. This latest update allows you to use a playbook across multiple calls or meetings with a given prospect without losing your previous notes and answers. This is a huge time saver and was one of our top requested features for playbooks to date. Last but certainly not least, I want to share some time-saving improvements to our LinkedIn Sales Navigator integration. The latest update allows you to view relevant insights right from the contact record. You'll also be able to seamlessly send InMail without ever leaving HubSpot. The new and improved HubSpot LinkedIn Sales Navigator integration is now live to all HubSpot users with a subscription to LinkedIn Sales Navigator Team or Enterprise Editions.
Hey, I'm Nike. URL redirects are an important tool for keeping your site easy to navigate for visitors and crawlers. Maintaining your redirects can be tricky, but we've made it a lot easier with the newly updated URL redirects tool. With this update, you can import redirects with the new CSV import option, edit or delete redirects in bulk, and customize the column layout. Plus, we've added new user permissions for managing your URL redirects. Now you can control who can view and edit your redirects to make sure everyone has the access they need. CMS memberships let you create restricted content that your users can access by logging in. In the past, if your users ran into issues accessing the content, it was hard to help without visibility into their past interactions. With CMS Memberships Activity Log, you can export a simple CSV that contains activity information like registration status, date and time of the interaction, and which domain the user was on when they were trying to log in. Now you have the tools to help identify and resolve CMS memberships issues quickly.
Hi, Nate here from the product marketing team. I'm excited to announce that the drag and drop editor in the marketing email tool is now available for all new Marketing Hub Professional and Enterprise portals. You'll also have complete functionality with the tools that you'd expect to be in the drag and drop editor. Features like smart content, blog RSS emails, and double opt-in and resubscription emails. Marketing Hub Professional and Enterprise customers who use the drag and drop email editor see 12% higher publish rates than Marketing Hub Professional and Enterprise customers who use the classic email editor. We've also seen that customers using the drag and drop email editor save on average 12 minutes of time when creating and publishing emails. Bringing the drag and drop email editor with complete functionality to all new portals is a huge win for you and your marketing team. Moving to the Campaigns tool, there are 4 improvements available for all marketing, professional, and enterprise portals. First, we've made it easier to see your campaign reports at a glance, with expandable cards that give you both quick and important information, as well as the ability to drill down to see more. The cards expand to show the same asset breakdown that has always been in your reports, but now it's much easier to get a quick bird's eye view. Next, there's now support for all sources in one unified traffic card, including social, paid social, and email. All tracking URLs sources have drill down support, so you can view the specific UTM parameters within a source bucket that generated traffic. Also, you no longer have to leave the Campaigns tool to create tracking URLs, as you can do so by clicking on Actions in Campaign. Third, associating assets from multiple marketing channels used to be slow, a one asset at a time process. This made initial campaign setup and bulk actions harder for you. Now you can associate or disassociate multiple campaigns from one place, saving you time to get your campaigns up and running faster. And finally, you will now see a progress bar when you clone a campaign, so that you know exactly when the clone campaign is ready to be used. Prior to this update, there was no indication that let you know what was happening behind the scenes when cloning a campaign. Thank you.
That's all for today, folks. As always, if you can't get enough HubSpot product updates, you can check out our product updates blog using the link in the description below. Also, keep an eye out for our new monthly newsletter that highlights some of our most exciting product updates to help you stay informed. We'll see you next month.